Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Now I know you're wondering, what am I doing with these 3 pineapples? Well, today we're gonna make some pineapple soda pop and some pineapple tea.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Okay, I've got my 3 pineapples. And a sharp knife. No. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is take the outer skin off these pineapples. And get a sharper knife. All right. Much better. I tell you, I'm so silly. Oh yeah. Now this pineapple's a little overly ripe, but that's okay. It'll be good for what I'm doing right here. Okay? I'm just taking the skin off the pineapples. Now don't throw the skins away, because we're going to use them to make our pineapple tea. Now this pineapple tea is an experiment. I've never tried this recipe before. So I'm trying it out with you all. If it comes out good, I'll let you know. If it don't, lesson learned. All right, I'm gonna set my skins over to the side. Get some more. What are you doing? Get some more of that off. Now I'm gonna chop these up into slices. Reason being, I want them to juice for when I put them into the pitcher and add my sugar. How's everybody doing out there? Listen, I want you all to write me now. I haven't heard from anybody. I want to make sure you're okay out there. Also, send me your pictures of your food. I want to feature them on the show. All right. Now that's one. I'm doing all of these because, quite frankly, I need to use them up before they go bad. Now that we got all our pineapples chopped, put them in your container, and you're going to add your sugar as you go along so it will make them juice. I'm adding about 1.5 cups because I got a lot of product here. Now, if you have diabetes, substitute the sugar for stevia. That's right, okay? I'm gonna have some extra. If I have some extra, I'm gonna put that in my pineapple tea, which I do. All right. Now, I have a bit too much in here. I'm gonna take these out. Once you put your pineapple in, I'm gonna give them just a bit of a shake so that it mixes with the pineapple, sugar in the pineapple. You can let them juice overnight, or as I'm gonna do, add my soda water now on the side so it doesn't foam up that much. I'm gonna put it all in and let this marinate in the icebox for at least an hour. And once that hour is done, you will have your homemade soda pop. Now, the flavor from the pineapples and the sugar, you might have to give it a little stir, but it will infuse with the soda water. And you got natural soda pop without all the chemicals, and you control the amount of sugar or stevia if you want to put in there. Agave will work, honey will work. Now, let's boil these up and make some pineapple tea. All right, nieces and nephews, I just had to do this because I had so much pineapple left over. I chopped up some pineapple, put it in the bottom of my blender, about 1.5 cups worth. Then, I'm taking some strawberries, equal amount, that I got from the food pantry, and banana, 1 banana, 1/2 cup sugar, and 2% milk. Now you can substitute the sugar for stevia or honey. I just don't happen to have any stevia. I'm out of honey. Blend it up. This is always fun. I tell you. Pour in your favorite glass. Healthy smoothie. I'm not kidding. This is good. Oh, yeah. Okay, I have put my pineapple rinds right into the water, and I put enough water to cover them just a little bit. I'm going to let this boil down until all the flavor renders into the water and it turns a pineapple color. You know, that kind of gold-ish color. About 30 minutes, okay? See you back. Okay, nieces and nephews, what I have done, I boiled down our pineapple parts. And look at it. You see the color? Now, I'm going to attempt to pour this in here. Dean on the scene, come over here and give me a hand. This is a two-handed job, y'all.
Okay.
Just pour this in here.
Hey, Uncle Chris. Okay.
Just pour it in there slowly. We're going to strain the pineapple tea.
Oops, hold the table.
And let me tell you, I've already sampled some of this. Yes. That's all I got to say. Yes. Yeah.
And this is complete, and we're doing a healthy week this week, huh?
Yes.
We got the pineapples, we had the...
We'll get the rest of that
Okay.
in a minute. I just want to show them.
Okay.
Now, you see this color? You can enjoy it hot or cold. I have some frozen in here already. Here, Dean, get you a cup.
I was like, where's my glass at? Got me thirsty over here.
Pour some in there.
Okay.
Here's some sugar because I didn't sweeten it.
Okay. Put a little of this in here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. You gotta try that.
Okay. Let me get... Should have tried it without the sugar first, just to see. This pineapples have a nice natural sweetness.
This is amazing. This is amazing.
Mm.
I told you. Oh. And then we got our smoothie.
So this our I don't even think you need any sugar because the like I said, the
Pineapple's pretty
had
sweet.
its sweetness to it already.
You got a smoothie, and let me show you. Now I'm gonna let this sit overnight, but we have some pineapple pop in here. It's fizzy. See?
Let me try some of that. I finished that. I finished the tea already.
Now you might need some sugar in it.
That's good right there.
But this needs to steep overnight. But you see how it's fizzy? Yeah, you got a natural pop. Now listen, y'all. I want you to like, comment, and subscribe because Mr. Dean on the scene here is going to come by and we're going to do Mardi Gras. We're going to do your...
Jambalaya with andouille sausage and shrimp.
Cool, cool. All right. Write to me at Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef.com, and look out for Dean on the scene on YouTube, okay?
Thanks, Uncle Chris.
You are so crazy, man. All right. Thank you so much, y'all. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?